What exactly is a Business Associate Agreement? The Business Associate Agreement, or BAA, is a mandatory requirement of HIPAA legislation designed to safeguard protected health information. The business associate relationship could be either between a business associate and a covered entity, or between a covered entity's business associate and its subcontractor. This approach creates a chain of shared responsibilities and a bond of liability between all parties. The Business Associate Agreement concerns how any health information is used, maintained, or transmitted between the covered entities and the business associates. It is a binding agreement between the covered entity, such as a medical group, and any third party, such as an IT hosting partner. The BAA is a combination of guarantees given by the third party regarding service-level agreements, the response times for incidents, and the expectations for disaster recovery. It outlines the permitted uses and disclosures of PHI and clearly defines the covered entity's responsibilities. What are the main components of a BAA? A BAA has three central components. First, the BAA should outline exactly how the business associate interacts with protected health information, including how the data is used and if any disclosure takes place. Second, the BAA should set clear limitations on what the third party must not do with the data, including any disclosure not stated in the agreement. Third, the BAA should define appropriate safeguards to prevent the use or disclosure of PHI other than disclosure that is permitted or required by applicable HIPAA and high-tech mandates. How does Atlantic.Net help with a BAA? As a leading HIPAA-compliant hosting company, Atlantic.Net can be a business associate of each healthcare organization with whom we process, store, manage, or otherwise deal with protected health information. Atlantic.Net's BAA offers assurances regarding our HIPAA and high-tech accreditations and details the guarantees we provide for each of the administrative, physical, and technical safeguards implemented to protect electronic protected health information. The BAA specifies the responsibilities of each party, ensuring the rules are clearly defined. We include precise information about what constitutes a breach, what data is classified as ePHI, and what each party's defined role is. Atlantic.Net clearly outlines the business associate's responsibilities. We acknowledge the security and data breach provisions of HIPAA, agree to be bound by those provisions, and agree to the privacy provisions of HIPAA and high-tech. Additionally, we clearly outline when a third party is used to fulfill contracted services. The BAA explains the safeguards that are used when handling PHI, as well as how each party will respond in the event of a breach. Call or email us today. We will be happy to help you with your HIPAA project.